Pendleton. There's the blockhouse.
You're A1 Whiskey approach 125.5, good day.
125.5, thanks for the help, 81 Whiskey.
And November 604, approach 127.3, talk to you on the way back.
127.3 for Cessna 604, thanks for the help. SoCal approach, good morning, Cessna 12604 with you VFR 5500.
Number 12604, SoCal approach, Roger. And where are you heading?
604, once we get down to the Oceanside VOR, we're going to turn eastbound and then go around Camp Pendleton and then back up to Chino Airport.
604, Roger. Local number 3008.
3008 for 604, thanks.
Approach jump 4, 1,000 feet off Oceanside, climbing 1-2000.
Jumper's going away.
Go jump 1, Roger. High down. Go jump 1, radar contact, 1 mile southwest of the field. Jump 1. Number 70 vector traffic, 11 o'clock and a mile orbiting, altitude indicates 1,200 feet below you.
You're in the traffic inside for 117 Victor.
Number 9 Romeo Juliet, contact approach 125.3.
125.3 for 9 Romeo Juliet, thanks, have a good one.
Number 3 Hotel Alpha, traffic 12 to 1 o'clock, 4 miles northbound, altitude indicates 3,600. Negative contact 750 as Alpha.
Negative contact 7CG as Alpha, 4,000 climbing 6,500.
Number 20425, SoCal departure, ident, altimeter 3008.
Ident 3008 425, solo student pilot as well.
425, Roger, radar contact west of Ramona, 4 miles. Say your intentions now. The approach jump 1 is about 2 minutes. There's all across Canada progress of the BAB, Maxwell Memorial Oceanside Airport, below 12000 for the next 10 minutes.
Alright.
Number 604, traffic still hanging out there at 9 o'clock and about a mile, 5,500, turning to the west now.
604 looking still.
604, go ahead and start your climb to 6,500 for additional traffic out ahead of you.
604, we'll start to climb up to 6,500.
And somebody called fresh for flight following, try it again.
919 Tango Alpha, VFR flight following request.
4919er Tango Alpha, ident, go ahead.
Flight following direct to Montgomery through the Bravo, 9 Tango Alpha.